Hey, you two, welcome back, guys. So today I'm going to show you guys Supreme. This is the small box logo tee, and then color is red color, size medium. I got this out of Supreme NewYork.com for $58. Shipping fee is $10. Sales tax is $5.08. And just a t-shirt alone is cost me about $73.08. So let's go ahead and get this unwrapped. So I just want to give out a shout out to Super Plush Cole. I want to thank him for been watching my videos and comments. I like to interact with my subscribers or viewers. So thanks for watching all these videos. So let's go ahead and dig into it. Like always, you always get this shopping bag with the red box logo. So I got two of this red box logo. I'm glad it's not wrinkle or anything like that. So be sure to legit check with this sticker. There's a description of the small box tee. There's your barcode. And there's your spring summer season 19. And then the color. And then the size label. And this is a clear Ziploc bag. And you got the big Supreme right here. Let me see, it's the same size. So yeah, the box logo on the Ziploc bag is exactly the same size as the sticker or the decal. Wow, look at that, it's pretty nice. Got the Supreme, 100% cotton, size medium. And you got this nice, so it's like a rubber patch or rubber badge of the box logo right there. And on the back, you got the tissue paper. I'm not sure what's for because on the back there's no graphic. And then this is what it look like on the back. There's a couple of the stitching, like a rectangular for this label right there on the front. See, there's a label here. So there's a label on the inside right here. 100% cotton. And there's your care instruction. Made in China. Alright, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any comments on below. Thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always, peace. Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So this is another pickup that I got from Supreme. This is the Cupid Tee, black color, size medium. I got this only for $38 plus $10 shipping, and then the tax is $3.33. So the total damage on this tee is $51.33. And on StockX or on eBay, they are selling for about like $150 and above. So let's go ahead and unwrap this real quick. So again, you always get this nice shopping bag with the red box logo. Wow. So this one, I got the sticker pack. I got the rider, and then what is that? Forgot that Susie. And then a red box logo. Yeah, that's a Susie switchblade. So let's go ahead and jump on this Cupid Tee. This is pre-strung, 100% cotton, made in USA, size medium. And there's a 2-hole punch right there on the left and right hand side on this Cupid Tee. And on the back there's another 2 at the hole punch. So be sure to check on this label right here, Cupid Tee. And then there's your barcode number. This is a black color and size medium. And this is Spring Summer 19 T30. Not opening. So as you can see, the ceramic Cupid was going about $3,999 plus tax and then shipping fee. But somehow it got it was resale for around like 7,000 something to almost 8,000. That's crazy. So if you cannot afford that ceramic, you could afford the tee. And then on the back it's kind of plain. Well, it is plain, so. And here's your 100% cotton, and then machine wash warm. Alright, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please stay tuned for the on-body fit. Be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop in the comments down below. See if you guys cop anything on the same drop. I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.